अभी जापान की प्राइम मिनिस्टर सनाई ताकाइची और यूएसए का प्रेसिडेंट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप का मीटिंग हुआ था और ये वाला क्लिप बहुत वायरल जा रहा है इंटरनेट पे एंड ऑनेस्टली इट इज एब्सोल्युटली फनी।
Of course, no, Japan and US are very good friends. But one question: why didn't you tell US allies in Europe and Asia, like Japan, about the war before attacking Iran? So we are very confused about we Japanese
Well,
citizens.
one thing, you don't want to signal too much. You know, when we go in, we went in very hard, and we didn't tell anybody about it because we wanted surprise. Who knows better about surprise than Japan? Okay? Why didn't you tell me about Pearl Harbor?
सो बेसिकली वो रिपोर्टर पूछ रहा है कि यूएसए अपना एलाइज को ईरान का अटैक के बारे में क्यों नहीं बताया था, व्हाई डिड दे स्टे साइलेंट, वो लोग चुप क्यों था। तो ट्रम्प जोक करके बोलता है कि उसको सरप्राइज करना था और ये चीज को सीक्रेट रखना था। हु नोज इट बेटर देन जापान जो पर्ल हार्बर का इंसिडेंट स्टार्ट किया था। इट वाज एब्सोल्युटली इनसेन कि वो जापान की प्राइम मिनिस्टर का फेस के सामने ये वाला चीज बोल रहा है एंड व्हाट्स इनसेनर इज दैट जापान की प्राइम मिनिस्टर सनाई ताकाइची का एक्सप्रेशन और चेहरा देखने लायक था। बेटर येट इंटरनेट का पूरा रिएक्शन भी देखने लायक है। लाइक द मीम्स कमिंग फ्रॉम इट आर एब्सोल्युटली इनसेन।
One question: why didn't you tell US allies in Europe and Asia, like Japan, about the war before attacking Iran?
So we didn't tell anybody about it because we wanted surprise. Who knows better about surprise than Japan? Why didn't you tell me about Pearl Harbor? Do you believe in surprise? I think much more so than us.
Why didn't you tell me? Wait, this might actually be Trump's funniest moment. The Japanese prime minister is in the White House and he's talking about why they didn't.
Okay, how about one more question for the prime minister? Let me pick a beautiful person from Japan. A question for the prime minister. Go ahead.
What the fuck?
Of course, no, Japan and US are very good friends. But why didn't you tell US allies in Europe and Asia, like Japan, about the war before attacking Iran? So we are
Why didn't you tell Japan about the war? And I know exactly where we're going.
very confused about we Japanese
Well,
citizens.
one thing, you don't want to signal too much. You know, when we go in, we went in very hard, and we didn't tell anybody about it because we wanted surprise. Who knows better about surprise than Japan? Okay? Why didn't you tell me about Pearl Harbor? Okay? Right? You know, he's asking me, do you believe in surprise? I think much more so than
Oh
us.
my god!
And we had to surprise him, and we did.
Like people were like literally saying stuff like this to the reaction of that clip. The Japanese are the most people on the planet. I hope I don't get humiliated. Humiliation factory जिसपे अमेरिका का फ्लैग लगा है. This has to be one of the most insanest incidents जो कि मैं अभी तक देख रहा हूँ क्योंकि like how the heck do people actually go from like admiring Japan to actually making memes like this? Like no way, right? ये चल क्या रहा है दुनिया में भाई? Like low key I don't get कि like लोग ऐसा चीज क्यों करते हैं but it is funny nonetheless. Japanese Twitter का भी reaction like it was absolutely funny. Like one of the Japanese user tweet किया था कि Japanese reporter, why didn't you tell us about the Iran attack a few days before it happened? President Trump, because then it wouldn't be a surprise attack. Japan's the one that knows the most about surprise attacks, right? Why didn't you give us a heads up about Pearl Harbor? In this hellish atmosphere, the look on Takaichi's face is hilarious. It's way beyond the level of breaking out in a cold sweat. Japanese Japanese news outlets were doing a live translation of the press conference, and when Trump dropped the Pearl Harbor joke, the translators were audibly lost for words and paused for a few seconds in disbelief. I can imagine that, dude. Like, I can imagine that. Like, imagine this. तुम भाई साहब अपना एलाई के पास गए हो दोस्ती मनाने के लिए, और वो एलाई तुम्हारा पास्ट मिस्टेक्स का लाइक हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं कि तुम पास्ट में क्या किए थे. Of course it is going to be funny, and of course it's going to be shocking too. The cultural divide between America and Japan is likely too vast to even attempt to explain how this wasn't actually said in malice. Everyone I personally know who saw this meeting laughed at the line, but believe me when I say the average American bears no ill will towards Japan for events from over 80 years ago. I mean, to be honest, people are good at making dark humor, right? Like, लोगों का sense of humor से इतना भयानक twisted हो चुका है. Like, it is absolutely insane. I'm just glad कि इंडिया का प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी है हम लोग का, वो ऐसा चीज बोलता नहीं है भाई ओपनली. It is going to be funny, लेकिन अगर मोदी ऐसा चीज कहीं ड्रॉप कर दिया, imagine saying this about Pakistan or Bangladesh. It is absolutely going to be insane. NGL, this makes it even funnier. Lol, I do hope that Japanese understand it really was a joke made without a shred of malice or ill will. American humor loves to poke fun at the horrors of the past, both as treatment for trauma and as declaration. We have moved past it. I mean, fair enough. The translators looking at the news producer. और यहाँ पे ये L का like एक gif है जिसमें L like पूरा देख रहा है with despair. Like ये वाला scene मेरे को याद है Death Note से यार. Like Death Note was one of the best animes that I watched, and it was one of the first animes that I watched too. So it was like really nice. This is funny when you know what's about to come out of his mouth. भाई सनाए ताकाइची का एक्सप्रेशन देख के मेरे को बहुत अजीब लग रहा था यार. Like seriously, वो कैसे like अपना वो मोमेंट पे अपना कूल रखी मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. बट लाइक प्रॉप्स टू हर फॉर एक्चुअली बीइंग अ गुड लीडर एंड कीपिंग हर काम. प्रोड्यूसर वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज इनसेन. ये फाइव नाइट्स एट फ्रेडी का है शायद, जहां तक मेरे को लग रहा है. वी डिडंट मीन इट इन अ बैड वे. वी हैव अ वेरी डार्क सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर. सॉरी. ओ माय गॉड, डार्क सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर इज वन थिंग एंड मेकिंग अ जोक एट इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम्स इज अनदर. डूड, मेरे को नहीं लगता कि भाई लाइक ईरान और पर्ल हार्बर कैन एक्चुअली बी लाइक पुट इन द same sentence, but seriously dude, why would anyone say this? It's a joke. We are well past Pearl Harbor and we like Japan and the Japanese people. We make similar jokes about Germany and Britain. To be honest, I feel like it's going to be absolutely funny too. अगर इंडिया से कोई ऐसा जोक बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान के अगेंस्ट बोल दिया भाई, that would be funny. That's the kind of joke you only tell to a very trusted and beloved ally. In the United States, this is a sign of deep respect. This reminds me कि मैं भी अपना दोस्त लोग के साथ ऐसा जोक्स मारते रहता हूँ. It is just a sign of like how much I respect them, and it is what it is. Everything is basically a South Park episode at this point. Yes, मेरे को लग रहा है ना भाई, a lot of things are actually a South Park episode, to be honest. Like, this is absolutely funny, dude. Like, no way in hell this is a reality that I'm living in right now. इंडिया के बाहर क्या क्या हो रहा है, like you have to admit it is absolutely funny. You have to admit. The awkward pause said it all. You could feel the whole room freeze for a second. Of course भाई, इसका चेहरा like you can tell कि ये fake smile put up कर रही है. No way in hell this has to be a real smile. मेरे को नहीं लगता कि ये real smile था. Did Donald Trump just make a Pearl Harbor reference in front of Takaichi? No way, right? No way. I forgive you for Pearl Harbor. Thank you, Donald Cohn. Can I nuke China? What? Okay, this is funny. This meme literally became true. Lamau, Pearl Harbor. Oh my god. Okay. People का sense of humor भाई आजकल भाई क्या क्या हो चुका है. This is absolutely insane. और another Japanese user ये tweet किया था. I totally get how you feel. And it's a face of Sanae Takaichi's fake smiling. और stocks गिर रहा है. Good lord dude, it is insane. But it is what it is, man. Joke was insane though. Anyways guys, that's about it for this video. If you like my commentary, then do leave a like, and if you want more of my content, then do leave a subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. That's about it. Peace out, have fun,